Hi, this is kind of just a neat, fun story that I like to tell once in a while. Here you can see a World Series ball. This is actually Dodgers. Of course, I'm a Dodger fan. 1988 World Series, and you can see it's just crammed with autographs. There's actually 35 autographs in this ball. Normally a team ball will have like 23, 24, 25, 26. This one's got coaches, locker room coaches, everything, you know. And then I got this bat. Now, this stuff came from a guy, you can see this is a J. Hal bat. He played for the Dodgers in the Athletics, and he was on the Dodgers when they won the World Series in '88. And you can see there's a ton of autographs on here. And when I got this bat, there was one autograph that was conspicuously missing. That's the great part of this story. Kirk Gibson had not signed this bat. And who doesn't remember where they were in 1988 when the World Series was going on and Kirk Gibson walks up to the plate and is only at bat that year and hits the home run off of Eckersley. So I get this bat, and Kirk Gibson is an announcer for the Tigers at the time. So I call the Tigers and I get a hold of his public relation person. I think it was a woman by the name of Molly, but I forget. And I had a conversation with her and told her about the bat and told her how I was a big Dodger fan and Kirk Gibson fan. And she said, well, send me an email and I'll forward it on to Kirk. And so I wrote this great little email and I sent it off to him, and I get a message back from her. She says, send the bat. So I send the bat along with a silver Sharpie to match all the rest of them. And I get it back express mail like a couple of days later, and look at the autograph that this guy put on it. Of all the autographs on the bat, the star of that particular series, Kirk Gibson, right there, stands out more than any of the others. He's also on this ball. I believe that's him right there. Right down around the bottom of that. You can see that. Anyway, just thought I'd show you. This is my 1988 Dodger World Series. A little bit of memorabilia. And we have a few different type of things like that. This isn't something that I'm trying to sell, just like to share. Have a happy 4th of July. See you at Dave's Vintage Baseball Cards.